Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing the apps. So let's start with removing cache. We have to open the settings. Here let's scroll and find apps. Go to app management and go through all of those apps, especially those which are frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So you can remove it and release some memory. Open the app, so tap on the app and go to storage usage. Here we've got cache, so just I'm on clear cache, and this is it. So that's quite quick, and as I said, go through all of those apps and try to remove cache, so you will release memory. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to go to Phone Manager. This option is pre-installed on your device. I mean, this app is pre-installed, so for sure you've got one, just enter it. Here you can tap on optimize first of all, then clean up storage. Tap on clean. Here you've got also app cleanup, for example, and deep cleanup. And I also highly recommend to check it, because here in the photos you will be able to, for example, check some duplicated files or large files or those which are not the best, and remove it. Same for videos, audio documents, large files. It is especially important, and duplicated files. Let's be honest, you don't really need to have the duplicated files saved. So this is what I recommend to do. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So to do that, we have to open the file manager. It doesn't matter whether you will use the one provided by Google or any kind of third-party file manager. Just open it, and here go to downloads. So as you can see, here I've got some files, and what I recommend to do is to simply go through all of them and remove those which you don't really need, and for sure you will release the memory. And as a last option, which I'd like to discuss, because I will not show it to you, we've got a separate video with a full tutorial, a full operation of doing that, is to consider a backup. You will be able to save your files, especially photos and videos, in a completely different place in a cloud, and you will be able to remove it from the internal storage of your phone and release the memory without the need to remove apps. So I think it is a great option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.